History of Madhya Pradesh art, culture and literature of MP. It was the capital of Raja Bhoj, Dhara Nagari. Bhima Nayak was related to which princely state? Badwani. Asoka won the Avanti Mahajanpat and merged in the Mauryan Empire during Bindusar rule. What text does it refer to? Samant Pasadika of Buddha Ghosh. The active participant of the Bundela rebellion of 1842, Hirdesh Shah was Jamidar of which of the following place? Hirapur. Bodhan Dawa was the commander Senapati of Shahgarh King Bakht Wali. Gujri Mahal was built by Man Singh. In which district of Madhya Pradesh was Chandrasekhar Azad born? Jhabua. In whose leadership the tribal movement took place in Sendwa? Bhima Nayak. Rani Durgavati ruled which region of MP? Gondwana. Madhya Pradesh state was constituted on 1st November 1956. Durgavati, who fought against Akbar, was the queen of Mandla. King Bhoj ruled over Dhar. Match the following and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Bhoj, Dhar, Durgavati, Gondwana, Samudragupt, Vidisha, Asok, Ujjain. Which place in MP was called Avanti? Ujjain. Which dynasty is from Madhya Pradesh? Kalchuri. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Rewa was the capital of Vindhya Pradesh, Gwalior was the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur was the capital of Mahakaushal, Bhopal was the capital of Chol state. Answer: Bhopal was the capital of Chol state. When was the present Madhya Pradesh state formed? 1st November 1956. In which district of Madhya Pradesh was the first Jangal Satyagrah held? Siuni. During the reign of which of the following rulers was the construction of Sas Bahu temple completed? Mahipal. Territorial rights of Bodhi dynasty extended over which region in 3rd century AD? Tripuri. The original place of Gurjar Pratihars of Kannauj was Ujjain. In which inscription is the word Chandrela used? Devgarh stone inscription. Which ruler built the fort of Mandu? Husang Shah. Who was the last successful and glorious king of Gadha Mandala? Shankar Shah. Who established the princely state of Bhopal in 1708 AD? Dost Muhammad Khan. The battle between Rani Avanti Bai Lodhi and the British army took place at Khairi Mandla. Which Kalchuri ruler was called as Ujjaini Bhujang? Yuvraj Dev I. Which temple was renovated by Emperor Harsh at Ujjain? Gadkalika Devi. When was Bhopal state god mingled? June 1949 AD. Parivrajak dynasty reigned over which region of the Madhya Pradesh? Bundelkhand. What was the ancient name of Baghelkhand? Karush. Which of the following ruler has performed a sacrifice named Hiranyagarbhodhan in Ujjain? Tanti Durg. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress Indore branch? Arjun Lal Sethi. At which place of Madhya Pradesh Peshwa Baji Rao first died on the bank of river Narmada? Raverkhedi. Which city was known as Daspur in ancient time? Mandsaur. The capital of Maharaja Chhatrasal was Panna. In the year 1854, who was the king of Rewa? Raghuraj Singh. What was the name of the father of Rani Durgavati? Salivahan. In which year did the Jhanda Satyagrah take place? 1923. Who founded the historic town of Orchha in the 16th century? Rudra Pratap. Who was the greatest ruler of the Parmar dynasty of Malwa? Bhoj. During the invasion on Chanderi by Babur, the Rajput ruler was Medni Rai. Which dynasty ancient entered the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh after the Sungs? Gupta dynasty. Name the famous queen of Gadha Mandala. Queen Durgavati. Which king established the Kalchuri dynasty in Tripuri? Kokal. Who built Minto Hall at Bhopal? Sultan Jahan Begum. Where the Badal Mahal gate is situated? Chanderi. Who gave the title of Vidyapati to Bhaskar Bhatt? Bhoj. The Gurjar Pratihar dynasty was related with Ujjain. King Bhoj was the ruler of which dynasty? Parmar. Who of the following famous and noble personalities was not born in Madhya Pradesh? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Who among the following was not a ruler of the Parmar dynasty? Parmar the Deva. When did the Thona Lohari firing incident of Niwari district take place in the freedom movement? 1939. When did tribal leaders Sita Ram Kanwar and Raghunath Singh Mandaloi Bilala join the anti-British Revolution? 1857 AD. The first newspaper of Madhya Pradesh was published 150 years ago. It was Akhbar Gwalior. One of the newspapers from Chhattisgarh earned wrath of the British in 1942, Agradut. Before Delhi, where was the capital of India during the British period? Calcutta. How many districts are there in MP? 55. The organization of Mahakosal Political Council took place under the leadership of Seth Govind Das. The hero of Bundela revolt, Hirday Shah, was arrested during which governor's generalship? Lord Ellenborough. Who attacked the Indore Residency on 1st July 1857? Saadat Khan and Bhagirath Singh. Jhalkari Bai, who participated in freedom movement of 1857, belongs to which region of MP? Bundelkhand. Ramgarh village in the present district of Dindori of Madhya Pradesh was the center of the Great Rebellion of 1857. Who led the rebellion? Rani Avanti Bai. Who led the 1942 movement in Damoh? C. Raghuvar Prasad. In which district of Madhya Pradesh is Mahatma Gandhi State Institute of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj situated? Jabalpur. Choose the correct pair of freedom fighter, father and son. Shankar Shah, Raghunath Shah. From which famous revolutionary freedom fighter did Tatya Bhil learn the guerrilla warfare style of attack? Tatya Tope. To which region does the freedom fighter Thakur Niranjan Singh belong? Mahakausal. The Quit India movement of 1942 started in Madhya Pradesh from Virsa. Padma Shri Bhuri Bai is associated with which of the following form of painting? Pithora. Which of the following is not a famous painter of Madhya Pradesh? Nana Sahib Panse. Which tourist place is known as pilgrimage of sculpture? Khajuraho. Which fort is called the Gibraltar of India? Gwalior Fort. In MP, the caves like Ajanta are found at Bagh, Dhar. Match the following: Diamond, Panna, Mandu, Dhar, Chitrakoot, Satna, Gujari Mahal, Gwalior. Match the following: Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, Sanchi Stoop, Raयसेन, गुजरी महल, ग्वालियर, ताजुल मस्जिद, भोपाल. मैच द फॉलोइंग: भारत भवन, भोपाल, भेड़ाघाट, जबलपुर, चचाई फॉल, रीवा, कान्हा किसली, मंडला. द मेन सेंटर ऑफ पेपियर मैसे आर्ट इज Ujjain. In which districts of Madhya Pradesh Bharut Stoop is situated? Satna. Which temple at Panna is inspired by Roman architecture? Baldev Ji Temple. Which historical monument is known as Kham Baba? Garud Pillar of Vidisha. In which districts of Madhya Pradesh is the Hindola Palace situated? Dhar. Pithora painting is related to which tribe? Bhil. Who set the fort of Gwalior as a pearl in the garland of the forts of India? Babur. Who built the palace of Roopmati in Mandu? Baj Bahadur. In which districts of Madhya Pradesh Jahaj Mahal is located? Dhar. Which of the following dialects is not spoken in Madhya Pradesh? Korvi. Indian Green Revolution is born in Pantnagar. In which district is Bagheli language not spoken? Sagar. Dash tribes is a big tribal group of Madhya Pradesh and living in all districts. Bhil. Dash is the most common health problem among the tribals of Madhya Pradesh. Sickle cell anemia. Anand Singh Syam and Dhanaiya Bai are artists of which of the following art? Gond painting. Which of the following statements is not correct for the famous Dhokra art? It is a decorative cloth are associated with marriage ceremony. All statements are true. Which of the following districts the Gotmar fair held? Chhindwara. In which of the following region Turra Kalangi folk drama is famous? Kathi is a folk dance. तुरा कलंगी लोकनाट्य निमाड़ मालवा तथा बुंदेलखंड के कुछ क्षेत्र में प्रसिद्ध है. इसका प्रारंभ हिंदू संत तुकनगीर व मुस्लिम संत शाह अली द्वारा 400 वर्ष पूर्व किया गया था. इसमें तुर्रा शिव व कलंगी पार्वती दो दल होते हैं जो क्रमशः भगवा व हरे वस्त्र धारण करते हैं. आयोग द्वारा इस प्रश्न का उत्तर ए, बी व सी तीनों विकल्पों को सही माना गया है। काठी इज अ फोक डांस। वेयर इज द फेयर ऑफ जल बिहारी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? छतरपुर। संत सिंगाजी बिलोंग्स टू विच रीजन ऑफ एमपी? निमाड़। विच फेलोशिप इज गिवन बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ एमपी इन द फील्ड ऑफ म्यूजिक? अलाउद्दीन खान। निमाड़ फेस्टिवल इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एवरी ईयर इन मध्य प्रदेश एट? महेश्वर। वेयर इज द ऑल इंडिया क्लासिकल डांस फेस्टिवल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एवरी ईयर इन एमपी? खजुराहो। वेयर इज रावण वर्शिप्ड इन मध्य प्रदेश? नन ऑफ द अबव। मध्य प्रदेश के मंदसौर दसपुर जिले में रावण की पूजा की जाती है। मंदसौर जिले को रावण की पत्नी मंदोदरी का जन्म स्थल माना जाता है। आला उदल बिलोंग्स टू महोबा। व्हाट इज खैरागढ़ फेमस फॉर? म्यूजिक यूनिवर्सिटी। हु रोड बैगा? वेरियल एल्बिन। विच फोक डांस इज नॉट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश? बिहू। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिंगर्स was not born in Madhya Pradesh? Ustad Alauddin Khan. Why is Maihar in Satna district in Madhya Pradesh famous? Because of the famous musician. Ith Jima fair is celebrated in Bhopal. To which region is the practice of Heed Gayan related? Malwa. Ustad Hafiz Ali Khan was a famous sarod player. Matki dance is famous in which area? Malwa. Amrit Lal Vagar is related to painting. Where is the Mandata fair organized in Madhya Pradesh? Khandwa. Where was the Drupad singer Asgari Bai born? Bijawar. Navrata folk dance is mainly associated with which region? Bundelkhand. Pandit Kumar Gandharv is famous for classical music. In which district of Madhya Pradesh is the Nagaji fair organized? Morena. Jageshwari fair is held in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Ashoknagar. Madar and Dafra are related with